So as we're thinking about bringing AI to our organizations and more broadly, how would you advise us to think about how we build trust as we introduced more AI into our organizations? And then what are some of those tells that you would recommend we look for to indicate that it is trusted, we've reached that point?
Sure. So I think it was Spider-Man that said it best, right? With great power comes great responsibility. And the question, and in that spirit, the question we really need to be asking ourselves about AI and everything we really do in healthcare is not about our technology strategy, not what is our AI strategy, but in fact, what is our trust strategy, right? How are we winning the trust of our employees? How are we winning and gaining trust in institutions that deliver health and driving outcomes? And I like to break these down as the 3 A's. I like acronyms. I find them much easier to remember. So number 1, is the technology accurate, right? Does it back up into evidence-based medicine? Is there a medical board involved in the information that you are producing and making available to your employees? So that's the first A. Second A, is there accountability, right? At the end of the day, this is one tool in a bigger system, in a bigger function of the HR division. And so who's accountable when something goes wrong? Who's accountable when things are not accurate, right? Who's accountable when an employee has a bad experience? So that's very important, having the human in the loop and employees knowing that someone is accountable, not the technology acting autonomously and alone. And then lastly, probably my favorite, is actionability, right? How is this driving an outcome? How is it driving an action for an employee to make good healthcare decisions? Information's great, but how are we actually getting to next best step and next best action? Are we making an appointment? Are we getting that mammogram? What is really the outcome that we're trying to drive? And when you look at metrics of how you're measuring that trust, I think it's all the things you're all already looking at, which is conversion rates. Are employees staying with it? Are they dissatisfied? What's their feedback, right? These are metrics you're already measuring. So I know we get really, really caught up in the AI piece, but I think we have to zoom out, say what are our trust metrics and what is our trust strategy? And then how is AI one tool that gets us to a successful trust strategy?